Hi there. If you're tuning in on this, you're interested in seeing how h of x is found to be the function. It's given here, the graph. It's what's the equation. That's the tough part. You know that this is a cube root, because it behaves in this fashion, the general shape. You know that it's gone right 3 and up 3, so I'm going to automatically just build my function knowing that it's a cube root, and to go right 3 means that there's an x minus 3 inside the cube root sign, and it's gone up 3, so I know there's a plus 3 there. Now there's no flippage going on, so there's no reflection, no negative sign on the inside or outside. Now it's to detect what the dilation is. And that's the hardest part. When you analyze this, if we go back to this original cube root function, I know that, I'm going to erase it and make it a little bit bigger, that the pattern for a cube root is 1 over 1 up. So this would be the point like 1 comma 1. If we go 8 over 2 up, and then the third point that would be out there would be 27 away from the origin, 3. So it's a span of 27 when you go 3 vertical steps up. I notice that this point is at 3, 3, and if I kind of space out what the original would be, it'd be 1 over and 1 up, so there should be a point there. 8 over and 2 up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it should be there. And then I would need to go 27 over to get to 3 up. So I should have a point that is, what should it be? I think it should be way out here at 30 comma 6 if it was the original non-stretched, but instead it is 12, 6. So it is 9 going away from the origin at my 3, 3, when it should be 27. So I look at those two numbers and I realize that's a multiplying factor of 3. So that tells me that it is most likely a horizontal compression by 1/3. Where it normally would take me, if I went up 3, I'd have to go out 27 to get to that point. I only need to go out a span of 9, so I think it's been shrunk by 1/3. That tells me inside the cube root function, I put a 3. Now, it is always good once you think you've crafted it to double check to see if your points work out. So I'm going to use this point 12, 6 just to see if the point 12, 6 works in there. So is the cube root of 3 times 12 minus 3, then add 3, is that equal to 6? Let's see, that's the cube root of 3 times 9, that's 27, plus 3, that is 3 plus 3, confirmed for that one point.